In the previous session, we have discussed various practical use cases on triggers, and we have discussed how can we use SQL queries and how to use DML statements inside the trigger, and how can we transfer the records ownership to the required people automatically with the help of triggers we have discussed in the previous session. Now, today we'll see lead conversion mechanism, and we have to understand what exactly a lead, how can we capture the leads, and how can we convert the leads as the customers with a manual, with automation by using triggers. We'll see with the practical use case. Now, so now tell me, what do you mean by lead? Lead in the sense, right? So now whenever we are promoting our products, for example, as an organization, we may be offering either some set of products or we may be offering some set of services. So whenever we are keep on promoting our products by using various marketing channels, during that promotion, few people showed interest in our product or services. So the people who are visiting our campaigns, the people who showed interest in our product or service, those people are called as leads. So lead is nothing but a person or an organization or a business who just showed interest in our product or service. Now, these leads are also called as prospect. This lead is also called as a potential customer. This lead is also called as a potential buyer. Any one of these terms you can use, either lead or prospect or potential customer or potential buyer, anything you can use, no issues. Then who will capture these leads? Marketing people. How? With the help of campaigns. By using the various marketing channels, they are going to be keep on promoting those products with the help of some conducting some campaigns or stalls or TV advertisements, theater advertisements, social media, digital, okay, digital marketing, all these areas are available. So, with the help of few campaigns, we are going to be capturing the lead. Now, once the leads information has been captured by the marketing team, where we will store this lead records, all the lead records will store inside the lead object. Inside my Salesforce R, we have a object specifically designed to store the leads data that is called as a lead object. So lead is a standard object in Salesforce which contains all the leads information. So whatever the leads that we have captured through the marketing, those leads information will store inside lead object. Now, once the leads data has been captured, then this leads data are passing to the sales team. Once the leads data has been captured by the marketing team, they will store the lead records information inside the lead object, and this leads data are passing to the sales team. Once the leads information has been passed to the sales team, now the sales team will start contacting the lead. How? By sending one email notification, or by making a phone call to the people, or by meeting the people directly by taking some appointment. That means the sales team will contact the lead over the phone, or by sending an email notification, or by meeting the people directly by taking some appointment. So once they meet the lead people, then the sales team will be giving the required information to the lead. They will give the information about our organization. They will be giving the information about the product which he is interested. They are giving the information about the new features which we have introduced in the product. They are giving the information about what kind of warranties we are offering, services what we are offering, discounts what we are offering. benefits what we are offering. They will give the whole information to the lead people, and then if required they will follow up with the lead multiple times also, and finally they will convince the lead to buy the product. So once the lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are going to be converting the lead as a customer. Once the lead is ready to buy the product, then we are converting the lead as a customer. Convert the lead as a customer. Now tell me, whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, how many records will be generating the Salesforce?
3 records.
Now, Salesforce generates 3 records. What are those 3 records?
Account, contact, opportunity.
Right. Account record and a contact record, and the third one, an opportunity record. So these are the 3 records has been generated by Salesforce upon converting the lead as a customer. In that case, whatever the leads data that we have, this lead record data will be passing to account, lead data will be passing to contact, lead data will be passing to opportunity here. Okay. Whatever the lead records data that we have, this data will be copying into account and the contact and the opportunity. So now here in this case, whatever the lead records company name that we have, with the lead company name, it is creating an account record. With the lead company name, it is creating an opportunity record. Whatever the lead first name and the last name that we have, with those details. With the lead first name and the lead last name. With the lead first name and the last name, it is going to be creating a contact record. So whatever the lead first name value that we have and the last name value that we have, with these details, it will create a related contact record. Okay. So whatever the data we have entered inside my lead object, this lead record data will be copying into account and the contact and the opportunity. Okay. Understood the concept over here? Now, so in this case, how can we convert the lead record as a customer? Let me show you with a manual process. Now I'm going to my Salesforce org. I'm going to my Salesforce org now. Now I'm going to my application. I'm having this lead object now. So now we are having so many lead records are available as part of my lead object. For example, I'm taking a lead record with the name Praveen Kumar. In this lead record, we are having all these details over here. These are all the details are available as part of my lead record. Now, so now tell me in this case here. Here I have given this lead first name and the last name as Praveen and the Kumar. Lead company name as Cognizant Technology. So whenever I'm converting this lead as a customer, with this company name, it will create an account record and an opportunity record. Whatever the lead first name and the last name that we have, with these details, it will create a new contact record inside this object. Okay. Now, let's see how can we convert. In order to convert this lead record as a customer, here we are having a button menu. Just you can go to the button menu here. Just you can expand the button menu, click on convert button. As soon as once you click on this convert button, now it is indicating here. Because of the lead conversion, an account record will be getting created. What will be the name of this account record? Cognizant Technology. Now it will be creating a contact record. What is the name of this contact? Praveen Kumar. It creates an opportunity with the name Cognizant Technology. Now click on convert button. As soon as once you click on this convert button, it will convert the lead as a customer. So now the lead record has been converted as a customer here. Now it has generated three records: an account record and a contact record and an opportunity record has been generated. Clear? So whatever the lead company name that we have entered, with that name it is creating an account and an opportunity. With the lead first name and the last name, it creates a contact record. Clear? So upon converting the lead as a customer, these are the three records will be getting generated by Salesforce automatically. Now, in this case, in order to convert the lead records as a customer, we have to go to the lead record, open the lead record, and then click on convert button. Then only we can convert the lead as a customer. But if the number of lead records are more to be get converted, if I want to convert some 10 lead records, then I will open the first lead record, go to the detail page, and then click on convert button. We can convert that. Then second lead record, I will convert manually. Third record, I will do it. Fourth record, fifth record, up to 10th record, I will do manually. So we can spend some 10 to 15 minutes of time. We can convert these 10 lead records as the customers. Suppose if you're having some hundreds of lead records, then thousands of lead records, lakhs of lead records, which needs to be get converted, then how can we convert these leads? Will you do it manually here? One by one, one by one, one by one like this? No, we don't want to do that. We need an automatic mechanism. We need an automated mechanism which can convert the leads as the customers automatically. And that too, I need a bulk lead conversion mechanism which allows us to convert the bulk leads as the customers in one shot. So now in that case, how can we do that? Now let's see with the practical use cases, okay, by using this Apex programming. Whenever if you want to convert the multiple leads as the customers, we don't have any such feature in Salesforce. Salesforce provides only convert button to convert only one lead record as a customer at a time. We don't have any such options in order to convert the bulk leads as a customers at a time. So in that case, we can go with the help of Apex programming. With the help of Apex programming, we can convert multiple lead records as a customers. Then, how can we convert multiple leads as a customers? Now let's see. So for that reason, as part of Apex programming, we have a class called as database.lead_convert class. Database class already we know. In the database class, we have used so many functionalities. There we have used database.query method, database.count query method, database.insert, database.update. So many functionalities we have used. Now, in order to convert the lead record as a customer, we are using the help of a class called as database.lead_convert class. Database.lead_convert is a ready-made class which has been given by Salesforce. Database.lead_convert is a ready-made class which has been given by Salesforce, which can able to hold only one lead record which you are going to convert. Upon converting the lead record, what lead record you are going to convert, that lead record we can store inside a class that is called as a database.lead_convert. So database.lead_convert is a ready-made class which can hold only one lead record which needs to be get converted. Suppose if you're having some multiple lead records, then what needs to be done? We have to create an array of database.lead_convert, or else we need to create a list collection, list of database.lead_convert. We can create either an array or we can use either a list collection of database.lead_convert class. So we need to create the object of this database.lead_convert class in order to pass the lead records data. So which lead record you are going to hold inside this? whether you want to generate opportunities or not. To do all these things inside this lead convert class, we are having some built-in methods. We are having some ready-made methods are available to whom we need to pass the required input values in order to hold the lead records, in order to supply the required input to convert the leads as the customers. So that here, as part of this lead convert class, it provides a collection of built-in methods. Then what are those methods that we have? Now let's see one by one here. And then how can we use this lead convert class to convert the leads as the customers through programming? We'll see with the practical use case. Okay, understand the concept here? Now, make a note of this one. Now, lead is nothing but a person or an organization or a business who just showed interest in our organization products or services. Lead is nothing but a person or an organization or a business who just showed interest in our product or services. Now, we can capture the leads by using various marketing channels with the help of marketing team. Marketing team. All the lead records will get resides inside the lead object. Inside the lead object. Now, the sales team will follow up with the lead with the leads and convert the leads as a customer. As the customers. Now, to convert the lead as a customer, we have to use convert button. Convert button, which allows us to convert only one lead record at a time. But we don't have any feature in Salesforce to implement or to perform bulk lead conversion at a time through configuration. Now, to convert the leads as the customers, we can use the help of Apex programming and by using database dot lead convert class.
Lead creation should be done manually.
Yes. or else they will be storing in the Excel sheet by with the help of the data entry people, and then this Excel sheet they will be passing to the administrator. Administrator will dump all the records into our lead object to data ladder.
Okay.
Then up to this part. Now let's see. Database.lead convert is a built-in class provided by Apex Programming, which can hold only one lead record needs to be get converted. Now, to hold the multiple lead records, we have to create either an array or list collection of database.lead convert class as below. Now, it provides a collection of built-in methods to be used to supply the required input values to convert the leads. Now, for example, database.lead convert, I'm giving L convert, new database.lead convert. It provides a collection of instance methods. Then what are all the methods are available? Now let me explain one by one. Done with these points? Now, so now let's see what are the various methods that we have as part of this database dot lead convert class. Now in this class, we are having some set of built-in methods. First one, set lead ID method. First one, set lead ID method. This method is used to indicate to pass the lead record ID which you are going to store inside this lead convert class. Because whatever the lead record you are going to convert, that lead record we need to hold. For that one, we are using the help of database.lead convert class. So in this class, which lead record you would like to store, we need to pass that lead record ID. Then it will go to the database object. It will collect the lead record. It will store into this class automatically. Now, this is the first method. This method is used to, or this method holds the lead record ID which needs to be get stored inside the lead convert class. Now, this is the first method. Like for example, we can specify lead convert dot set lead ID. Here we need to pass lead record ID here. Now, we need to pass the lead record ID. Second one, set do not create opportunity. Boolean. Set do not create opportunity. Done with this? Now, the second method, set do not create opportunity. That means what? What did you understood with this method name? Hmm. Do not create opportunity. Whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, three records will be generating with Salesforce: an account, contact, opportunity. So upon creating this, upon converting the lead, account will be generated automatically, contact also will be generated. Generating opportunity is optional. If you want, you can generate the opportunity. If you don't want, we can skip that generating the opportunity. Why? Because the person is ready to buy the product, but he asked me to give some time. Okay, he asked me to give some time because within 1 week of time, he will be getting some amount, he will be releasing the budget to buy the product. Till that time, I can't wait here. I want to convert this lead as a customer because he is almost okay, but he is waiting for the money. And once he is receiving the money, he will release a budget so that we can deliver the products to the customer's place. So now here in this case here, we can able to convert this lead as a customer without generating the opportunity card because we haven't sold out any product here. Within 1 week, he will get the money and he will be releasing the budget, will deliver the product. At that time, we will generate the opportunity card. Till now, I don't want to generate that. So in that case, whenever we are converting the lead as a customer with a manual mechanism also, we have this option. When you go to the convert button, upon creating the opportunity record, there is a checkbox is available. Do not create opportunity upon lead conversion. So we can select the checkbox here. Once you click on convert, it will generate only two records, account and the contact, no opportunity records. Okay. Now, so here to set this option here, we are having this method set do not create opportunity. We need to pass the boolean value. If I'm passing true, what will happen? It won't generate the opportunity because the method is in reverse manner. Do not create opportunity. That means don't create opportunity. If I'm passing true, don't create the opportunity. It won't generate that. Only account and contact will be generated. If I'm passing false, then it will generate opportunity record as well. Clear? Now, let's see. This method is used to specify that opportunity record should be created upon lead conversion or not. If I'm passing true, it won't create opportunity record. If I'm passing false, it will create opportunity record. Lead converted dot set do not create opportunity. I'm passing the value false. Next. Done with this? Next. Third method. Set send notification email. Then what do you mean by this method here? So once the lead record has been converted as a customer, we would like to send one email notification to the lead owner. Dear lead owner, one of your lead record has been converted as a customer. Now, because he should be receiving some email notification. If we want to send the email notification to the lead owner, we can specify the method that is set send the notification. If I'm passing true, it will send the email notification to the lead owner automatically that your lead record has been converted. If I'm passing false, it won't send the email notification. Okay. Now, let's see. This method will route or will send an email alert to the lead owner upon lead conversion. We can specify lead converted dot set send notification email they're passing to. Next, set converted status method. The fourth method is set converted status. Done with this? Now, so now the fourth method, set converted status method. So basically, this method is used to indicate the lead status. Whenever we are having the lead record, in the lead record, we have a field called as the lead status field. In that lead status field, there are four options are available, like open not contacted, working contacted, close converted, close not converted. These are the four options. Now, whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, from these four options, what option you want me to set to the lead record status field? To indicate that we are using the help of this method, set converted status method. Now, in this case, whatever the four options that we have in the lead status field, all those options are storing in a separate object that is called as a lead status object. Lead status is a standard object in Salesforce, which is a parent object for lead object. Lead status object is a parent, lead object is a child. So, whatever the lead status options that we have, those four options will be storing inside lead status object. From there, we need to query them. With the help of an SQL query, we need to query those records and then we need to pass that lead status option to the converted status method. So that here, in order to specify what lead status you want to assign upon lead conversion, we are using set converted status method. Okay, now let's see. This method is used to specify the lead status to be get assigned to the lead record upon conversion. Now we need to query them here. Lead status, some else status equals to select the ID of that record and the master label. Master label is a field, okay, which will be holding the lead status name, like as open not contacted, working contacted, close converted, close not converted. These options will store inside a field called as master label field. And then we have is converted field also. From lead status object, where is converted equals to true. That means what? Whatever the record that we have in this lead status object, whose is converted field value is equals to true. That means please assign this particular master label, okay, upon converting the lead record. That is the meaning over here. Now we need to pass this. Lead convert dot set converted status. Here we can specify else status dot master label. Fifth one, set owner ID method.
Sir, I have a question here. So the master label contains all the four options, sir, right? The four lead
Right.
status
Master label
options.
field contains these four options.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, sir, we don't need to specify which status we need to apply for one particular record. It's enough if we just give dot
Now,
master label.
no, master label we need to pass compulsorily because upon converting the lead, what option you want me to set? That we have to specify compulsorily. So for that reason here we are using this set converted status method. There we need to pass a value.
Okay, and where do we need to pass the parameters, or like which status do we need to apply?
Now this is a method here. In this method we need to pass this master label of that record. I will
Okay,
show you
okay,
one by one.
okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay.
Next. The next one, set owner ID method. So what do you mean by the set owner ID here? Now let's see. For example, I have a lead record. For this lead record, the owner is training batch user. The owner is a training batch user is the owner. Then usually what will happen is whenever we are converting this lead as a customer, whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, because of the lead conversion, it is generating three records: an account record, and a contact record, and an opportunity record. For these records, who will be the owner over here? The same training batch user will be the owner for these three records also. So the account record owner also training batch user, contact record owner also training batch user, opportunity record owner also training batch user. So whatever the lead record owner that we have, the same owner will be the owner for your account in the contact opportunity upon lead conversion. But now, once the lead has been converted, for these records, I want to set the owner as development user. I want to set the owner will be development user. In that case, collect the development user ID and pass that user ID inside this set owner ID field method. Okay, understood the concept here? In order to pass the owner ID value for your account and the contact and opportunity upon lead conversion, we are using the help of this method set owner ID. Okay. This method is used to specify the owner for the account and contact and opportunity. For example, we can specify lconvert dot set owner ID. Here we are going to passing that user record ID. These are the various methods are available over here. Once we are passing the values, we can able to convert the lead. We can convert the leads as the customers by using database dot convert lead method. Database dot lead convert is a class. Convert lead is a method. Don't get confused. Now the syntax. Here we can specify database dot convert lead. Here we can able to pass list of database dot lead convert class reference. Now, or else if you're having only one record is available, we can pass an array also. Database dot convert lead. Here we can able to pass new database dot lead convert array. Here we can specify that. Now we can specify the reference name. now, which returns the result in the form of database dot lead convert result. So that we can able to track the result of that lead conversion also. You can go with list collection always better. Instead of using this array, better to go with that list collection. Here we can specify the list collection name and then a boolean parameter. This is a functionality that we used to follow in order to convert the leads as the customers. Then how can we do that? Okay, we'll see with the practical use case. Done with this? Now let's see. How can we do that here? Now let me take a small use case. So now my requirement is I want to convert the lead record as a customer automatically. Whenever I'm going to be changing the lead record status value as close converted. Whenever I'm changing the lead record status value as close converted, once I click on save button, lead record will be getting updated. Once a lead has been updated with the status close converted, immediately lead has to be get converted here. Okay. Whenever we are updating the lead status as close converted, automatically lead record should be converted as a customer. Then how can we do that with the help of trigger? Now let me show you with the practical use case. Now let's see. Take a use case. Create a trigger on lead object to convert the lead as a customer upon updating the lead status as close converted. Now, whenever we are updating the lead status as close converted, I want to convert the lead as a customer. So in this case, I want to create the trigger on lead object and I want to fire it on after update. After update event, I would like to fire this trigger. So my trigger should be get fired on after update event over here, which will be on lead object. So once the lead record has been updated successfully, then I would like to convert the lead as a customer. When if the lead record status has been updated as closed converted, then only I would like to convert. Done with this? Now let's see. Let me create the trigger now. I'm going to my developer console. Now I'm creating a trigger now. New trigger, auto lead converted trigger, that should be on lead object. I'm creating a trigger on lead object with the name auto lead converted trigger. So now I want to fire my trigger on after update event. After update event, I would like to fire my trigger. So now here I would like to check. Okay, I would like to check whether really trigger has been fired because of after update event or not. If trigger dot is after and trigger dot is insert, sorry, is update. I'm checking the trigger context here if the trigger is really fired because of after update event or not. If yes, whatever the records you have updated just now, those records will hold inside trigger dot new context variable. Trigger dot new is a listic collection which holds the latest records which you have updated just now. So from that particular collection, I want to collect each and every lead record. I want to check whether the lead is a converted lead or not. Because once the lead record is converted, you can't do any other operation. Okay, you can't do any other operation. I want to check whether this lead is a converted or not. Suppose if the lead is not a converted one, then if the lead record status has been assigned as okay close converted or not, I would like to check it out. These are the two conditions I want to verify whether lead is converted or not. So to check that here, we have a field called as is converted field in the lead object, which will be holding true or false. If the lead is a converted one, it will hold the value true or else it will hold the value false. If the lead is not converted, then that too the lead rate status has been updated as close converted. Then I would like to convert the lead as a customer. Now, so that here I'm collecting each and every lead record from this collection. For each and every lead record from trigger dot new. Now I'm checking that here. Now I would like to collect each and every lead record. I would like to check the condition. If the lead records status has been assigned as close converted and lead record is converted equals to false. That means if the lead is not a converted one, because we can convert the lead only once, not multiple times over here. So we are going to checking that whether this lead is a converted one or not. If the lead is not a converted one and that too the lead status has been assigned as close converted, then I would like to convert the lead as a customer. So in order to convert the lead as a customer, we need to use the help of database.leadConvert class. Now I'm using database.leadConvert. LConvert equals to new database dot lead convert. I'm creating the object of this class. So once the object has been getting prepared, then we can pass the required parameter values by using those built-in methods. So I'm indicating L converter dot set lead ID. Which lead record you are going to convert? The current lead record. Lead record dot ID. L converter dot set do not create opportunity. I'm passing the value false because I want to generate opportunity record also. L converter dot set send a notification email. I'm passing the value true. L converter dot set converted status. We are passing the converted status here. That value we need to collect it from lead status object here. So before the for loop, I would like to collect it here. Lead status L status equals to select the ID of the record, master label is converted from lead status object where is converted equals to true. So whatever the lead status record that we have which is holding the value is converted equals to true, that record's master label value we need to set into our converted status method. So we can specify L status dot master label. Then once the lead record has been stored inside the database dot lead convert class, then we can convert the lead as a customer. But don't convert each lead record as a customer separately, make it as bulkified. That means user bulkification. So that here I'm preparing a list collection. List of database dot lead convert. LST convert equals to new list of database dot lead convert. Now I'm preparing a list collection. In this list collection, I would like to store that lead records. Now add the record to the collection. L converter dot add L convert. There is a lead record here which we are going to be converting. Once all the lead records has been added to the collection, then outside the for loop, we would like to check the condition here. If LST convert is not empty, that means if the collection is not empty, then we can convert the lead as a customer. So we can use database dot convert lead method, and then we can pass that LST convert and pass the second parameter false, and then we can store the result database dot lead convert result inside the reference name. That's it. This is the functionality we have to use. So in this case, we are firing the trigger on after update event. Once the lead record has been updated successfully, I would like to check the lead record status. If the status has been assigned as close converted, I want to convert the lead as a customer. So that I'm going to checking the trigger context if the lead record is because the trigger has been fired because of after update event or not. If yes, whatever the records you have updated just now to the database, I'm collecting those records from trigger.new context variable. I'm getting each and every lead record from the collection, and then I'm checking the lead record status. If the lead record status has been assigned as close converted, and that too if the lead is not a converted one, then I would like to collect this lead record I'm storing inside my database lead convert class. Now, like the similar fashion, second lead record we can collect, we can store. So that I'm preparing a list collection. In that list collection, I'm adding all the lead records which I'm going to convert. So once all the lead records are added to the collection, then outside the for loop, I'm converting the leads as the customers by using database convert lead method. Okay, lead convert is a class, convert lead is a method. Okay, don't get confused with these methods. Now, let me test it now. In order to test this functionality, better to go to classic part, because in classic part it will show very clearly. In Lightning Experience, it won't show the result to you. Now I'm going to the Salesforce Classic. Go to the Leads tab. Open the lead record. For example, I'm having the record, okay, Rakesh Kumar. This is the lead record. I'm giving some mobile number value also. All the details are available here. Now, what is the current status of my lead record now? Working contacted. Now, here I'm going to changing the status to open not contacted here. When I click on save, it won't convert the lead record. I'm changing the status to closed not converted here. When I click on save, it won't convert the lead record. Whenever I'm changing the lead record status to closed converted, then once you click on update button, automatically lead record will be getting converted over there. Why still it is showing closed converted also? Let me check the lead status, lead settings. Maybe some triggers are firing internally here. Let's go to the lead settings. Now maybe some triggers are firing over here because here we have okay, require validation for converted leads. It will fire automatically all the triggers and validations and all these things. I want to okay disable this option. Unselect the checkbox require validation for converted leads. Don't fire the trigger because here in the account and the contact opportunity we have created some triggers to make some fields mandatory. Okay, because of that it is going to be preventing you to convert the lead. Now let's go back to your lead record here. Rakesh Kumar. I'm changing the status to working contacted. Nothing will be happening here. Now whenever we are changing the lead record status to close converted, now it will convert the lead as a customer. Automatically lead has been converted as a customer because of the lead conversion, an account and a contact and an opportunity record has been generated. Okay, we no need to convert them manually, just we can update them. Automatically Salesforce will convert the leads as the customers through triggers. For example, I'm taking one more lead record over here. Now let me take one more lead record. For example, I want to take another lead record over here. For example, okay, brand Mike. Now I would like to convert this lead. So now here in this case, just we can able to update the status value here. Close converted. Now in this case, it is converting the lead as a customer because of the tree records will be generated. Suppose if you don't want to generate the opportunity, just you can pass the value as set to do not create opportunity value. We can pass it to true. So don't create opportunity, create only account and contact upon lead conversion. Here we are passing true. Let's see now. Go back to the lead records. Open the lead record that is some Betty Bear. Now I'm changing the status from this is the working contacted status. Now I'm updating over here. Now I'm changing this lead record status to close converted. Now in this case it will convert the lead, but it will generate only two records, account and contact, no opportunity, because we have prevented to generate the opportunity record upon lead conversion. So that here, if you want to generate the opportunity also, then pass the value false. Okay, understood the concept here? This is how we can able to convert the leads as a customers through programming by using database start lead convert class in Salesforce. So not only one bulk lead records also we can convert in one shot by passing all those lead records collection to database start convert lead method. Okay, clear? Clear up to this one? So this is the concept of automatic lead conversion. Next one we are having few more features are available here like trigger handler factory. It's a process level concept. Then we have two theoretical concepts are available. That means already you know that, but just we need to revise that topic over here. Like trigger best practices and order of execution. The last two are theoretical concepts over here. And this is okay programmatical part over here. We'll see in tomorrow's session so that we can close it off. Then we will enter into some more functionalities like as email programming, and then we'll see the concept of email programming, how to send the emails through triggers also. There also I'm going to use trigger concept again. Okay. So do the practice on this feature today. Tomorrow we'll see some more features as part of this triggers.
Sir, could you please pass this program on the WhatsApp group, sir, please?
Sure. I will share that one.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.